Hello friends, and you're on the Students Runway. This is a disclaimer. I would like you to remember that this Pictionary you are watching is an exclusive content compiled for distribution solely on studentsrunway.com. You may use the Pictionary for personal learning, pass it on to your friends, but not for any commercial or institutional use. Any tampering of the watermarks on the Students Runway video will be liable for legal action. Thank you very much and have fun. This is the best way to learn vocabulary. This cartoon shows that this person is confused because there is an enigma here. E-N-I-G-M-A. An enigma is a problem, a riddle, anything that is inexplicable, mysterious, sphinx-like, S-P-H-I-N-X. Sphinx-like means something mysterious. Sphinx, of course, as you know, in Egypt it's a pyramid with the body of a lion and the face of a man. And the Sphinx, I believe, used to ask a question, a very puzzling question. And so that's how the puzzling question anyway was this. What is it that arrives on 4, moves on 2 in the middle, and leaves, departs on 3? And I believe the passers-by or people of that place could not answer the question, and the Sphinx used to eat them up until finally a great warrior, Odysseus, came along and answered the question, that is man, and he conquered the Sphinx. Anyway, the ridiculous story. Sphinx-like means mysterious. If somebody has put on a mysterious expression on his face, you can say he has a Sphinx-like expression. Inexplicable, mysterious. Enigma means a puzzle, a conundrum. C-O-N-U-N-D-R-U-M. Conundrum means a puzzle with the answer hidden in it. A conundrum in Telugu we use the word Podupu Katha. Kitakita talpulu kitari talpulu eppudu teesina chappudu kavu. Eyelids. So a puzzle in which the answer is hidden inside is called a conundrum. So an enigma is a conundrum. A puzzle, a poser, P-O-S-E-R. It's an interesting word. Poser means, of course, one who poses, especially a posier, P-O-S-E-U-R. P-O-S-E-U-R and poser means a person who poses and cheats. And poser, second meaning which is very important, is a baffling question or problem, an enigma, a perplexity. This military man is enjoining someone, E-N-J-O-I-N. Enjoin means to order, to charge, to command. It can also mean prohibit, forbid, impose with authority. This cartoon character is suffering from ennui. E-N-N-U-I. Ennui means boredom, weariness, and dissatisfaction resulting from inactivity or lack of interest. Ennui. E-N-N-U-I. Pronunciation is ennui. Spelling is E-N-N-U-I. Pronunciation is ennui. It's a French word and it means boredom, apathy, tedium, fatigue, lassitude, inactivity, languor. L-A-N-G-U-O-R. Languor. L-A-N-G-U-O-R. Adjective is languid. Means lack of vigor or vitality, weakness, laziness, lethargy, listlessness. Listless means having lost all interest in life. Listless means having no interest at all in anything. Lethargic, listless, lassitude, indifferent, lazy, and fatigued and indifferent. That is ennui. They're all synonyms. Ennui, lethargy, listlessness, lassitude, L-A-S-S-I-T-U-D. This is the general theory of relativity. Einstein's general theory of relativity, introduced in 1916, explained the effects of gravity and an accelerating motion. The effects of gravity and accelerating motion are the same. You can read that quietly. There can be, there have been. reading comprehension passages. It always pays to know more than what you currently know. This is about relativity. When you travel on Earth, you have an idea of your speed because of the reference points around you, such as houses and trees. But suppose you were in a spaceship traveling in deeper space, you would have nothing to relate your motion and no way of knowing how fast you were traveling. Speed would be a meaningless term there. The great physicist Albert Einstein used mathematical calculations to prove that motion is always relative to something else.